Welcome to Smart Tech Hub,
where we showcase the latest advancements in modern agricultural machinery. The DeWolf self-propelled potato harvester with 2 rows ensures efficient and fast potato harvesting. It starts with potato row picking, where powerful blades lift the tubers out of the soil, minimizing damage. Harvesting takes place at speeds of up to 3.1 miles per hour, and the integrated cleaning system effectively separates root crops from soil and vegetation. When you require a powerful assistant for cleaning swamps and ditches, the Meripede OJK 1.3 with a screw type is just what you require. This drainage unit cuts through the toughest sections like a knife through butter. With its screw mechanism, the Meripede OJK 1.3 handles ditching and clearing ditches, turning an impassable swamp into a convenient landscape. If your construction requires perfect ditches and drainage systems, this beauty will easily do the job and save you time. Believe me, if swamps could talk, they would ask for help precisely from this unit. At the Firemobile 2023 exhibition, Majerus outdid itself by presenting the TLF Air Core, a fire engine that will make fire cry with envy. At the Welzo Airfield, this technological beast demonstrates how its turbine sprays over 10,000 liters of water, turning it into a protective mist through a giant fan. Does the monitor work? Of course. And that's not all. The self-protection system is ready to be your shield in the battle against fire. Fires, think twice before testing the TLF Air Core. Meet the high-performance duo in peat harvesting, the Superloader Meripede HK 16.5 and the peat trailers TRL 30F. The Meripede HK 16.5, equipped with a revolutionary loading technology, can instantly fill trailers, each capable of holding up to 30 cubic meters of peat. Thanks to this tandem, the peat harvesting process becomes not only efficient, but surprisingly smooth. Like a dancer on stage, the HK 16.5 confidently maneuvers across peat fields, making heavy work almost an art. Your new best helper in the fight for productivity, the HSU 3000 or 4004 Ultra Air Blast Sprayer. This agricultural master possesses a unique ability to spray productive and nutritional substances with maximum precision. The air blast system of this sprayer creates a powerful airstream that spreads liquids over significant distances, ensuring deep penetration into the plant canopies. With a 1,000-gallon tank, the HSU 3000 or 4000 reduces the time needed for refilling, increasing your efficiency at every step. Envodan has been supplying weed burners to organic farms and nurseries in Denmark and around the world for many years. Envodan's patented eTherm system reduces gas consumption by up to 40% through an optimized system that maximizes the use of combustion heat for weed control, resulting in high efficiency. And the company achieves significant reductions in CO2. All their agricultural models are designed and manufactured in collaboration with the customer to adapt the machinery to the specific needs of the crops being grown. You only have to look at the AGI X2 series auger conveyor from Flamin Agriculture to realize how fast and easy it is to transport grain. Its modernized open discharge chute, robust hood, and steerable axles make transporting grain quickly and efficiently to large bins a magical experience. Powerful and reliable, the AGI X2 gets the job done, saving you time and effort. Ready for a leap into the future of agricultural machinery? The MF Ideal from Massey Ferguson is here to make that future a reality right now. With its unique crop management system that automatically adjusts the combine for optimal performance in various conditions, the MF Ideal promises amazing results. Its power impresses, up to 790 horsepower ready to conquer the fields. And don't forget the revolutionary chopping and separation system that reduces grain loss to an absolute minimum. Behind the control of the seat of the MF Ideal, you'll feel like you can literally move mountains, or at least mountains of grain. The DeWolf carrot harvester, together with a John Deere tractor, provide the perfect duo for precise and efficient harvesting. The flexible digging system gently digs up the carrots to minimize damage to the root crops, after which they're transferred to the auger conveyor. Special cleaning rollers remove dirt and stones, and the carrots are then carefully loaded into the hopper or onto the trailer. The Spaperi 741 is equipped with grippers that gently hold the tobacco stalks, after which the integrated knives cut the leaves at the desired height. The cut material is then transferred to a conveyor belt, where it's all sorted and cleaned. The leaves are then moved to special crates for neat storage. The process is all automated, eliminating the need for manual intervention and increasing productivity. Friends, who told you that harvesting tulip bulbs can't be high-tech and efficient? Here's one company that turns that perception of agriculture upside down with the help of a Flemish tulip harvester. Equipped with a double grid, this wonder machine not only harvests but also expertly sieves tulip bulbs right in the sandy soils of Drenthe. This is not just harvesting, but a whole cleaning procedure where each bulb receives VIP treatment. Attention! Developed and tested in Finland, in real stony conditions. The machine collects stones across the entire working width in a single pass. The Agronic Rock Tornado cultivates the soil over the entire working width, including the center line, thanks to the integrated center rotor that loosens and throws stones to the side rake cultivators. A working depth of 0 to 3.9 inches can pick up stones ranging in size from 1.18 to 19.7 inches. It also features a low-loss manual transmission, but the tractor power required is 75 kilowatts per 100 horsepower. Imagine unloading barley from a huge silo bag extraction Akron sausage bag. A sight worthy of an Australian farm. Silage bags, affectionately known here as sausage bags or sausage sacks, can store huge volumes of grain. The Akron system unloads the barley neatly and efficiently, preserving its quality. Every time you see machinery in action, it's more than just a demonstration of capabilities. It's a celebration of power and precision. Such moments make you forget about descriptions and technical parameters, because the real actions of the machine on the screen speak for themselves. Sometimes the most important dialogues happen without words, in the silence of admiration and respect for the machinery. Forget everything you knew about off-road tractors, because Vyrock from WM Technics is a new level of the game. With a base weight of 12 tons and incredible power up to 75 horsepower, this multifunctional tractor turns any work into pleasure. A multifunctional joystick allows you to control all machine functions and attach equipment, and its 180-degree rotating cab provides excellent visibility and comfort in any work direction. The Vyrock is equipped with a special chassis for steep slopes, and its unique pendulum joint perfectly adapts each wheel to the terrain, making it unbeatable on any terrain. How to be one step ahead in the agricultural business? Meet the Holaris AS10, the master trimmer that redefines onion processing. This machine combines the dual power of blades for neat trimming and vibrating motors to precisely feed each onion head through a vibrating grid. What makes the AS10 unique is its ability to guarantee a clean cut without damage. Thanks to the clever design of the blades and grids, customizable to fit any size onion. Thanks to the easy change of vibrating grids, preparing onions from small seedlings to shallots becomes a simple and efficient task. At the same time, the Grimm line provides a continuous product feed to the AS10, increasing overall productivity. When it comes to forest care, the John Deere 2154 D-Limmer Tier 4 has no equals. This eco-friendly hero is equipped with advanced technologies that reduce its environmental impact while not sacrificing power. Thanks to its thoughtful branch removal system, it ensures clean and neat preparation of each log. This is the perfect tool for those who want to combine productivity and resilience to natural challenges. With the John Deere 2154, every tree is processed like a masterpiece. From the height of a drone, a magnificent view of the 2024 sugar beet harvest opens up. While the special machine moves across the vast field, its every movement is captured in high resolution, providing a unique spectacle of agricultural processes. The drone reveals a mosaic of land and harvest, where the rhythm of the combine's work creates an image of highly efficient modern farming. The VRG undercarriage is designed specifically for Valtra's T234 series tractor model bodies. With this auxiliary blade, it's easy and economical to maintain roads all year round. Gravel roads are leveled in summer, and snow, ice, and sleet are removed in winter. When designing the undercarriage, the focus was on simplicity, strength, and durability of construction. The use of the base blade is simplified as much as possible. This machinery has new types of floating blade functions and safety-enhancing functions such as automatic reverse and adjustable blade release system. A work light, mirror, and blade angle indicator are standard, making it easy to use the base blade. In addition, the ground clearance of the Volumet undercarriage is so high that it allows the tractor to be universally used for other jobs as well. Forget boring days in the field with the Marcrest 210 baler. This machine will turn hay collection into real fun. Imagine the 210 speeding across your field, collecting and pressing bales so quickly and efficiently, you won't even have time to drink your morning coffee. With impressive power and reliable construction, each bale will be neatly packed and ready for transport. With the Marcrest 210, you won't have to worry about losing hay or uneven pressing. It handles the task 110%. Believe me, your farm has never seen such efficiency. The Watermaster amphibious dredger's telescopic legs make it stable on all soils, while the powerful pumps and extendable buckets efficiently handle dredging and cleaning operations. The hydraulic pump picks up the soil, silt, or rocks and transports them to the shore, ensuring efficient cleaning of water bodies and preparation for the construction of various hydraulic structures. A large multi-wheeled platform carefully transports crystallization tanks filled with eco-friendly mineral fertilizers to the loading site. There, they're gently lifted onto a vessel bound for Koopmanholmen, where they'll be installed at the Sinnis fertilizer plant. Bellinger Estates and Warriors Rest, two prominent players in the world of winemaking, have chosen the path of innovation to protect their 5-acre vineyards by turning their attention to Avix Automatic's laser technology. Goodbye, pesky starlings and sparrows that used to be constant intruders enjoying their grapes. Replacing loud sirens and extensive nets with lasers doesn't just sound like a plot from a science fiction movie, but it's been shown to be practically effective. This change in tactics has not only resulted in less crop damage from birds, but has also significantly reduced labor costs. Now, in the run-up to harvest, owners can breathe more freely knowing that their labors are protected by an invisible but powerful laser barrier. How to turn a heap of feed into a high-class buffet? With the Pecan Biga 40-meter cubed feed mixer, anything is possible. Not just capacious, but huge, this monster loads up to 40 cubic meters of feed and does what? That's right, creates a culinary wonder, thanks to 3 double augers that churn through everything in the path. 4 hydraulic doors release the ready product as smoothly as a bartender serves drinks at a Friday party. 2 axles keep all this magnificence in a stable position, promising long service and reliability at every step. Imagine a giant that can tear through the Arctic ice like a knife through butter. It's a 75,000 horsepower nuclear-powered icebreaker. This Colossus, which is the largest in the world, has power comparable to an army of tanks and can withstand the harshest conditions. About 568 feet long and 98 feet wide, the icebreaker is equipped with 2 nuclear reactors that provide its incredible power. It can break ice up to 10 feet thick, opening the way for ships in the most inaccessible areas of the Arctic. In addition to its power, this icebreaker is equipped with advanced navigation systems and crew comfort, making it not only efficient, but also comfortable. How often do you think about how much netting is needed to keep your hay bales intact? Specialized balers from Vermeer know the answer to this question better than you. These machines are equipped with advanced packaging systems that can accurately calculate the necessary amount of netting film for each bale. Thanks to this, you save materials and protect the harvest. Let it not seem like a trifle, because it is such details that determine how successful your agricultural labor will be protected from time and weather conditions. Have you ever dreamed of an irrigation system that cares for your field as much as you do? The Zimmatic Precision VRI makes that dream a reality. With this technology, you can fine-tune the irrigation of each zone and crop, providing ideal growing conditions without wasting water or energy. Fewer maintenance trails, less soil erosion and runoff, more yields. And it's all available right from your smartphone via FieldNet, making it easy to change irrigation plans on the fly. Add to that the exclusive constant flow technology for corner systems, and you have not just irrigation, but a true tool to achieve agronomic miracles. Make every drop of water work for you, because the Zimmatic Precision VRI is the future of farming today. Who said peeling walnuts is hard work? The Cadola 280ED and Cadola 180ED make it easy and fun. These machines are like nut chefs. The 280ED, with its 3-foot working width and powerful engine, handles the nuts like a hot knife through butter, while the 180ED finishes the job by peeling the leftovers with incredible precision. Together, they tackle any crop without leaving a single nut in the peel. Are you ready to see how easy and fast your crop can be processed? Lakeland introduces the SG400 and SG500, revolutionary fencing systems that will make your sheep and goats rethink their values. Forget endless attempts to keep your flock confined. These systems do it all for you, giving each animal personal space and freedom. It's like an elite club for select sheep and goats with contactless entry. The SG400 and SG500 provide not only security, but also autonomy for your flock, allowing them to enjoy life to the fullest. So if your sheep start to behave a little happier, know that Lakeland is to blame. Here it is, the SIFA K47H on a Mercedes-Benz Arox 8x4 chassis, where engineering excellence meets the epitome of power. Delivering up to 4,944 cubic feet of concrete per hour, this Carbotech concrete pump is more than just equipment. It's a symphony of durability and technology. Every detail, from the metal chassis to the hydraulic lines, breathes quality. The attention to detail is astounding. Sonic horns, realistic antennas, textured door mirrors. Arrows with carbon inserts promise lightness and strength, while screw-threaded pistons speak of precision in every moment. Live Bottom is an innovative tipper trailer that unloads material without lifting the body. Instead of the usual tilt, it uses a conveyor belt at the bottom of the body, which gently advances the load, sand, crushed stone, or asphalt, to the rear discharge opening. The operator controls the speed of the material feed, ensuring uniform discharge. Introducing the Monster Mining Draglines, true titans of the American solid moving industry. They don't just work, they dominate, moving more than 100,000 cubic yards of material every day. Using powerful steel cables, these machines draw enormous buckets into the depths of the ground, filling them to the brim in seconds. Like mighty warriors, they then swing and tilt the buckets, dumping loads of dirt into monumental piles. This process is not only efficient, but impresses with its scale and power. Colmar's T10000 modification FSCG is a specialized truck rail crane with 360-degree slewing capability and a telescopic inverter boom that allows it to operate in confined spaces that would otherwise be inaccessible to conventional truck rail cranes. This makes it particularly suitable for installing OLE infrastructure such as gantries. The load capacity on rails is just over 12 tons, and a maximum capacity of 14 tons is achieved by extending the Caterpillar tracks for additional stability. Maximum horizontal outreach is 49 feet. A number of companies are developing autonomous feed mixer models, and among them is Strautmann, which has introduced its all-electric, three-wheeled, in-house designed 41 cubic foot, three-wheeled feed mixer. The eVerti Feed 1251 is a new self-propelled 400-volt battery-powered 40 kilowatt per hour self-propelled feed mixer with two electric motors to drive the mixer and hydraulic units. The market launch of the new Strautmann eVerti Feed 1251 electric feed mixer is scheduled for the middle of the current year, 2024. Are you tired of endless battles with weeds on your farm? Tillmore offers a game-changing solution, the Finger Weeder. This mechanical genius features finger weeder cultivators with flexible poles designed to gently remove weeds around crops like green onions and cilantro. Not only does this machine reduce your reliance on manual labor, but it also makes cultivating a field more efficient and less tedious. With the Tillmore, weeding turns from hard work into a precise art, and its stylish design adds fun to the process. A real find for those looking for both quality and style in agro tools. In the world of the forestry industry, the real hero is the Skovmek BMF 12T2 Pro 750, a machine designed for those who do not seek compromise. Its double frame can support up to 13 tons, and its 22-foot length speaks to its impressive size. The BMF 750 crane is like a magic staff in the hands of a wizard, operated with ease and precision, capable of lifting thousands of pounds up to 24.6 feet. This machine is not just a tool, it's a true symbol of power and reliability. The K4 disc chain has a 6.3-inch disc spacing, thereby providing an overlapping area to cover more than 100% of the ground cover, even when working at shallow depths. With its sharp edges and smooth surface, this disc effectively transforms the outstanding weed-killing power of the CL2 disc chain into a lighter, less aggressive option. At the center of the K4 platform is a hook and eye system, to which the interchangeable paddle disc is bolted. The links are connected to form a disc chain, which is secured with a locking bolt. Links can be added or removed from the chain without the need for disassembly. The disc chain demonstrates excellent performance in moderate conditions, working quickly and at shallow depths. Friends, are you ready to simplify your land treatment? With the Schlegel Mulcher from Flegel Agro Center, this becomes as easy as pie. This powerful tool not only destroys weeds and cuts grass, but also turns them into useful mulch, protecting the soil from drying out. The adaptive cutting height system allows you to precisely adjust the mulcher for optimal operation in various conditions, and its wide coverage speeds up the processing process. Plus, installation and maintenance will not cause any hassle thanks to the intuitive design and availability of replaceable parts. In Chandler's young walnut orchard in Greece, the X16 harvester shows its best. Forget walnuts, this guy's working with something else. With a large hopper capacity, it handles the crop without too much interruption. But what's really impressive is how the X16 manages dusty conditions thanks to the dual motor filters, providing peace of mind in even the hottest conditions. Truly, the X16 is a cool nut harvesting machine that makes hard work easy and efficient. When a pile of logs challenges you, the gearbox splitter steps up with a powerful response. Feed in a log, and it's instantly transformed into neat firewood while you stay cool and relaxed. Don't forget to gather your freshly chopped warmth with a sense of accomplishment. Atlantic Ocean, July 28, 2017. A historic moment for the USS Gerald R. Ford. An FA-18F Super Hornet aircraft, flown by Lieutenant Commander Jamie Strack of the 23rd Test and Evaluation Squadron, VX, made its first fixed-wing launch from the newest aircraft carrier. This event marked a milestone in the carrier's test and evaluation operations process. The launch was successful, demonstrating the USS Gerald R. Ford's readiness for combat missions and reaffirming its status as the most advanced ship of the modern fleet. From the height of a drone, an impressive view of the American Crystal Sugar Site in Crookston is revealed, where mountains of sugar beets are carefully stacked before processing begins. Aerial photography emphasizes the huge volumes of production and the impeccable organization of work on the site. The recorded footage illustrates not only the scale of agricultural activity, but also the technological approach to storing the harvest, which ensures the best preservation of raw materials before they're sent to the factory. Looking for the perfect telehandler? With the Bobcat lineup, you'll find what you need for any job. Start with the TR50.210 model for light-duty applications, which features convenient swivel stabilizers and can lift up to 5 tons up to 85 feet. If you require more power, the TR60.260 with a 6-ton capacity is the best choice. Designed for demanding conditions, these forklifts feature improved stabilizers and high ground clearance for optimal performance on rough terrain. Each machine offers a high level of cab comfort, state-of-the-art load control features, and, to ensure smooth operation, automatic leveling. The MD-500 helicopter with air saw is one of the best tools for pruning trees in the right season. With this unusual technique, excess branches, especially those interfering with power lines in any cooperative, can be cut efficiently. The 30-foot row of circular saws is mounted on a 100-foot boom that hangs vertically from a helicopter, and it looks quite spectacular. It looks a bit like an electric trimmer you might use to cut hedges, but much more. A near catastrophe. A fuel tanker almost exploded. Brave drivers handled the situation, and firefighters arrived just in time to extinguish the flames. Beidenbach Boss Beast, based on the Mercedes Acros 8x4, with the EFFER 2055 8S plus 6S HT crane, is a monster among crane trucks. It doesn't just transport heavy loads, it manipulates them with incredible ease and precision. This titan of lifting work is equipped with a powerful crane with a total of 14 boom sections, allowing it to work with loads at significant heights and distances. Perfect for construction sites where maximum flexibility and efficiency are required. The Boss Beast acts as a true hero in the world of heavy loads. If winter decides to test your strength, respond with the Vamas SB4504, a snowblower that makes snowfalls laughable. This Arctic Warrior is equipped with a 450 horsepower engine and can clear up to 5,000 tons of snow per hour. Its working width of about 15 feet allows for easy clearing of highways, airfields, and even dance floors for polar bears. The Vamas SB4504 doesn't just clear snow, it makes it run at the side of it. Get a behind-the-scenes look at an outstanding construction project at a ski resort near Telluride, Colorado. This video shows how the TC50 was used in 2 key areas to prepare the area for interior concreting of a mega residential building. In just 3 days, a team of workers laid nearly 1,000 yards of gravel, demonstrating exceptional efficiency and organized work. This project is not only technically challenging, but also impressive in its scope and speed of execution. It's time to get to know the Boxer 385D mini skid steer from Morbark. This compact and powerful loader has a 40 horsepower engine and is ready to take on any task. Its maneuverability makes it easy to work in the tightest of spaces, and the hydrostatic transmission provides smooth operation and precise control. Imagine digging, loading, and moving materials with ease simply by controlling this mini beast with the easy-to-use joystick. You know, as people say, sometimes it's better to see once than to hear 10 times. And so, here it is. The planning process is so fascinating and very unusual that my advice to you is to watch carefully without taking your eyes off the screen. Meet the digital innovation in the world of semi-trailers from Technocar Trailers, the Techno app. This application not only transforms the way trailers are managed, but also introduces revolutionary changes in their operation. With the Techno app, you can activate all necessary functions of your trailer right from the driver's cabin, ensuring maximum safety and efficiency. Integrating with ABS/EBS systems and numerous sensors, the application provides full control over the trailer's condition in real time and can detect any operational anomalies. The Stark Sweeper is designed for efficient and environmentally friendly cleaning of roads, streets, and yards. The low design and 27.5-inch wide blades provide a clear view of the area being swept. The brush sweeper is equipped with a special bottom emptying debris container that can be easily and quickly emptied directly onto the truck bed. The sweeper is designed to be fairly easy to maintain, and blade changes are quick and easy. The side brush increases the cleaning width, making it easier to clean curbs, and so on. This is a great handy hack, I'll tell you. With such a device that even a child can operate, every berry bush will be in full order and under control. Forget about worries and troubles. This device is so simple and effective that you'll wonder how you used to do without it. Something monumental happened at the port. A collapse so dramatic that everyone scattered to avoid the aftermath. Just look at how easy it is to move the animal feed closer to the pens with this unique machine. Convenient indeed, and the animals are always fed and satisfied. Meet the new heroes in the world of agricultural technology. The heavy-duty HDSR step rippers from Degelman. If conventional tillage isn't enough for you, these guys will come to the rescue. The HDSR goes up to 24 inches deep, which is a record for a ripper. And with 45 inches of clearance under the frame, you'll have plenty of room to get all those rocks and plant debris through the machine with no problem. Furthermore, changing work items is now safer and easier, which will save a lot of time and nerves. You had no idea that transplanting plants could be so easy and effective with Microbacter. This tool handles the task with ease, like a magic wand. Its sharp blades and ergonomic design allow you to quickly and carefully transplant your plant without damaging the roots. Its ease of use and reliability make it an indispensable assistant for any gardener. One of the loader's tracks simply escaped on its own. It's not exactly like it's hinting at a vacation, but it's definitely ready for an adventure. The FTV 550 is not just a vehicle, but a true pathfinder for rotor blades through difficult terrain. With its unique ability to adapt to challenging sections, the FTV 550 transports massive wind turbine blades where other machines give up. This vehicle is designed with maximum maneuverability and stability in mind, allowing it to safely and efficiently deliver critical loads to the most remote and unsuitable locations. The Verimaster starts by adjusting the working width to suit different soil types. Powerful plowshares cut into the soil and flip layers, evenly distributing organic matter and improving aeration. The Krone RX loader trailer, equipped with the OptiGrass cutting system, sets new standards in the professional segment, ensuring the highest forage quality and maximum productivity. The multifunctional loader trailer offers a transport volume of 33 to 40 cubic meters and is ideal for loading and dosing green forage, as well as for use as a transport trailer in forage harvesting equipment. With the high-performance OptiGrass 28 and 37 cutting units, the Krone RX guarantees a neat cut and uniform forage placement, thus increasing efficiency and cost-effectiveness. Imagine the cotton cartage trailer from Collier & Miller Engineering, a trailer that turns cotton transportation into a real adventure. This Cotton Express is not only reliable and spacious, but also gives your harvest royal comfort. With it, each cotton bale will reach its destination like in a luxury carriage. No more transportation problems. Now, only joy and pleasure from work. In a mature South Australian almond orchard, the Kelly Model 1204 is hard at work. This disc harrow is not just a machine, but a Swiss Army knife for farmers. It handles pests with ease, turns post-harvest residue into fertilizer, and prepares the soil for new crops. All thanks to its unique rhomboid-shaped system, which allows you to adapt different discs and spike chains for any task. And all this without the traditional heaviness. Thank you for watching Smart Tech. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. We'll see you in the next video.